Yeah, let me share my screen. So, mm, so I created. So I will open one folder. I will try to our HTML. So created images. HTML. Yeah, I will open HTML. So I will create one folder here, and one that I will create what kind of folder here is. So credit card, card, credit card, flip UI, just UI. That's it. There is no the. So in this folder, so right, rename it actually. Ola camel or otherwise in small. Yeah, I'm creating file inside one index dot index.html file, html file, and one more file I will create inside the our folder. I will create one styles.css, and one more file I will create for images. I will add here. I will add folder itself. So instead of inside this, I will add one folder. So images. Okay. So inside, why it's not creating? Yeah, yeah, will create here images. Okay. In that we'll create. Okay. So first of all, we'll create some UI. Okay. So I will start. I'm doing the template. So here we'll write. So we'll write Flipkart UI. So some credit card. I'm writing in title. Credit card. Credit card. Flipping UI. Flipping just UI. So whatever title is not like that is what purpose we are using. What kind of title we need to add, we can add here, and we can add links also. So this is an yes styles we can add, and so this is the actually our skeleton part, right? So now I'm creating one section. So one section, inside one section, um, I will create I will create our one container, div dot container. Okay. So one div I'm creating. So actually the credit card having any card, not only credit card, any card we have two back side face and front side surface is there, right? So just we'll try to implement first front side surface or front side font face we can say. So we'll develop that one. So just a div dot and card. um, so for this card, I'm one more class I'm giving front 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 face. So just I'm giving front face, and here we will the credit card is having one header, and for example in real world we have any credit card or anything, so we can see some logo and logo kind of things, right? So we'll see in this, actually, we'll add. Okay, so whatever our header is there, I will try to implement. So inside the header, I will create one span. Okay, inside the span, uh, I will give one class for this. I'm trying to adding here one logo here. So first of all, whatever we are downloaded images, so just now I downloaded, right? So these three images, just copy it, and just copy it. Copy the images. I'm pasting here. Paste here. So your path is coming. Otherwise, hmm, this is, uh, actually I'm thinking, yeah, that image folder I'm creating here. Okay, so that folder, new folder, images. Inside the images, we'll add image. So what will happen? This is why it's not directly. Okay, okay. Yeah, we'll create a here itself. New file we'll create here itself. Some mm, image file I will create. Dot dot. Yeah, we'll try to add here only. Otherwise, directly we can write outside of this. Click this HTML is there, right? Here you can add one image. Inside that image, just we need to add that images actually here. I'm revealing the folder I'm doing. So here, whatever our images, selecting, mm, copy what we done here, paste here. Images, inside the images, what we have, this kind of, just we have text on. We'll try to stop this recording. First of all, that we need to add that images is needed actually. So that's why that images folder is not taking. So otherwise we'll directly, so we'll add here, mm, an image folder outside of this. We can add up. So just these icons are not coming. Okay, control. Yeah, this folder in place here. Yeah, Yeah, now fine. I will rename this one. I will actually, what I done, you understood, right? So just I am creating one folder for the image. Actually, somewhat some issue maybe that image folder is not. I'm trying to delete this. Move to trash. This is also I will move to trash. So this is an I will rename images. Okay. So now see, inside our credit card flip UI, we have one folder like images. Inside images we have, so we'll try to resume. Inside the images we have chip and icons and all these low images will have. So I'm trying here one inside the header. So we'll try to add logo here. Okay. So our logo, I will give one class for this. Inside this, we'll add logo. So for image tag, we have img, right? src. So img. So image I'm writing here. Just enter it src, and I'm writing here src means the source of the path. Actually, credit card flip UI. Inside the UI, images chip. So first of all, I am hiding here uh, inside whatever images we have logo. This is for logo, right? So we'll remove the chip here first. So logo will add. This alt means the image is not displaying means we can add that somewhat text here. So control and click it. So the image is coming, right? So this is an logo image, our credit card logo image. So I'm adding here, and so basically, so so we have one more image, the chip. So we have that one more we'll create one more actually we have credit card with we'll try to add one some, we have some name, right? On that what kind of card, or what master card, or international card, what such kind of message is there, we'll write here. Okay. So next, inside the header only, I will add the chip image also. So here just credit card flip UI images. In chip image I'm adding here. Just add identification purpose, you can add chip. Okay. So now this is the UI. Just will go and just copy the first our path, where what is the path, just copy the path and paste here. So just time being, it is displaying logo and chip. Okay. So why it is the image is not displaying, huh? So we need to cross check that one. So credit card flip UI images, in that, so when you control and click, it's displaying, right? So this is control and click, yeah, it's displaying. So no problem. So we need to try to, we need to add all the images actually. Okay. um, so we'll try to add all the images. Then that for height, weight, and we will add then the chip it will, for example, I'm adding here some class chip. So we'll write in css this all the css. Next is the one the header, this is an header part actually. Once the header part is completed, so we'll try to implement one more. So that is, we have some card details, right? So card details also we can write first. Okay. This is entire details is for from front face means front side. You can give front side inside of face. front side, that is back side. The such kind of class will give. So identification purpose I'm giving, that is a front class, this is an back side we can give. Okay, so here I'm giving card details. Will try to add now some text will, what are the files, what are the text is there in the card, will try to add here. So div dot some, I'm giving some class here. So I will give any name. Yeah, for example, we are developing name. So developing name means we'll try to add it here. Name number, we have some h6 will write credit card. Just, yeah, Shiva, actually network issue, power cut. Actually, my sky will share again. So as of now, we are created one header, and we'll try to add card details and card name, what kind of card we are using, and we have some numbers right on card. Like we can write one more class. For example, I will give for h5, control z. I will give number also. I will give one class. So number, for example, number is 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8, any randomly I'm giving. Okay, so 9 1 2 3 9876, 9876. So this is an card number. So we have one more thing is, and some name also there on card, we have name, right? So I am writing here my name. So I'm giving Bhaskar. Actually, this is an one our name of name number. Okay, so we'll try to give validity also on card details. We can find the validity also, right? So div dot validity. So in validity we have some message, like some date, right? Some month and year. So valid, I'm giving some text. Valid, valid thar. And next we'll give how much that valid. So how much it is, up to 30, for example 334. So I'm giving here. Okay, so so this is entirely front side view. This is the front side view. So this image is, it's not displaying. Why, we'll see. So credit card PNG. Yeah, so we'll try to add here that path is not showing properly. So dot, otherwise you can write here dot instead of this one. So we'll refresh that. Yeah, see, this is our card. Actually, we need to manage with the help of CSS. Okay, we are identified our card details, and just I am writing here credit card and all these things. We'll try to add some CSS to manage the our chip and this logo. All these things we are already given some classes, right? So we'll try to give entire details. So first of all, we'll complete backside also. So front side details, this is the div, right? So we'll try to close this div. We'll try to add one more div. So card backside will give, backside class will give. So enter, sorry, so I given here space, think it's not taking, div dot card, enter, and here I will give backside. Okay, so backside, then some we can see, right, backside some we have some random messages like we like for customer call, service number, or any email. Such kind of information will be available in um, backside. So I will give some message for customer service call. So call, I'm giving some random number. So 922 and 4545, 45 mm, 3434. Yeah, I'm giving just for random number. Or email also, we sometimes you just email, you can see right in backside, email at um, mastercards at the rate gmail.com. Some message I am giving here. And so we have uh, magnetic strip also there. Backside we can see, right, some magnetic strip. So we'll give some for the span. Uh, Control Z. We'll give some magnetic magnetic strip. Magnetic strip class I'm giving. So magnetic strip, and we have so one more thing, we have some signature also there. Sometimes we can find the signature also. Mm, so we'll write signature for signature. So I will give signature class, div signature. So signature, just I'm giving ran that enter 005, something random signature I'm giving here. So we'll try to implement, and some message I'm giving, enter. Yeah, so this is our entire backside section. Now for example, I am writing some random message. So you observed, right, this is an container, this is the front side, this is an back side. Okay. So I'm just refreshing the UI. So now see, so so we are observing somewhat messages and validity, all this html things will be there. So now we'll manage with the css now. So we are added here our link, we are writing here external styles now. So I will try to implement one by one. So css I will add. This is our skeleton, actually our credit card skeleton. This is card front side, this is back side, this is our entire container. So this is we are taking one section. Okay, so try to, I'm adding here some global styles. I'm adding first. It's like no margin, no padding. I will global styles I'm adding first. So margin 0 and padding 0. So padding 0 and box sizing border box, and some font family will give. So font family sans serif and something or anything, just will give this one. Okay, so we'll focus one by one in our html. So we'll try to focus with the section first. Okay, section one section is completed, then we'll go with container, Once the container is completed, then we'll go with card with container. So step by step we'll go follow. Okay, so I'm writing for section now. Section is an element, right? So now I'm giving here. So for the section, mm, just I'm adding some height, width, and background color, and some properties will add. We'll check one by one. So try to, I'm adding width is 100% for this card. So whatever we are added, and one more thing is some will add some height also. Some height, min height is I'm adding 100 vh. Um, and we'll add some background color also will add. Background color is I'm randomly giving 121 and 321. Just I'm somewhat better color I'm giving here. Some display flex. So sorry, display flex I am giving. So entire content will be our entire section will be in one row. So I am making like this. And align item become center, I'm adding. And justify content. So this is it's a main parent element div, right? So parent element, right? So I'm adding all these things. Justify content, center, and align item I done. And position also will give. Position is relative. And so we'll try to see the UI now, how much it is done. Yeah, somewhat entire, it is taking entire width. Okay, so we'll try to manage the remaining things also. So just I am perspective, our entire perspective will give. So perspective will give 100 pixel something. So 1000 pixel or 100 pixel. 1000 is more than, we'll see how it is. Yeah, no problem. So for the section point of view, this is our entire section area, entire body we can say. So entire backside and inside the entire content area, I am giving for the section before and after before and after pseudo element classes I am giving. So I will give section before, some content will be an empty, some content will be an empty. I will content will be an empty, and that position is an absolute. We are managing with the relative position. This is an absolute. And so we'll give that card height will become 200 pixel, even a width also 200 pixel. Mm, so some background color will give for this one. Background, will give background. So this is for, we have some linear gradient color we have. So somewhat first so linear gradient will contain, will explain in css this this linear gradient how it is. So we'll give 110 degree first, this one 110 degree. And comma, and some color I will give. So something 9c 9c2780 will give, or b0 will give. So some blue, some thick pink color. So one more color is f3 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 f5 will give. So that is an better, some white, some blur type of white. So we'll give this one. And border radius will give 50 percentage. So our card look and feel is good. Curved shape, like somewhat we can observe. And transform, some transform property I will give, translate to minus 150 pixel, 150 pixel, and minus 100 pixel. So try to see here UI, somewhat we are observed now. See, so somewhat this our entire content moving to the center. So I am, this is our section. Okay, I will entire this back side, front side chips I'm moving inside this one, and I will add one card for this one. So try to making that one only. So even before and after also I'm adding. Uh, so after also I will add these changes. uh, but I will add some content perspective. I will add some the color I will change. So I will change that color. This is, I will give one, so 320 I will give. So what will happen, so entire our content and whatever these 150 is there will give positive, then it will be better look and feel. So so this is our entire section. So once the, so you can see that. So now you cannot observe actually background color is there, right? So background entire section color is there, right? That's why you are not able to see. So we'll write for next, we'll focus. The section is completed. Next will complete for the container. I will copy the class, and I will add here. And so I will, for the container I will add the relative position, and some color will give, sorry, color will give white or fff, somewhat white color. Our height will be 3 252 pixel will give. And our entire container, mm, so width will give 400 pixel. So then now our chip and the logo will manage. We'll try to see now. So some z index also will give. Z index will be n1. So that is better. And so we'll give some transition property also. So transition, so some transition is some 0 milliseconds or something. 0.5 milliseconds, so just a second will give. Huh? So then transform style will give. Transform style is, so what kind of will give, will give preserve 3D or float. Yeah, actually we need to rotate, right? So that's will give the preserve 3D. So let next will give, for next we'll focus on card. So this is, we just copy here, just copy this one, and inside this we have an card. So card we need to focus now. So position absolute, and height is 100%. Height is 100% I will give for card, and width is 100%. So the card look and feel is better now. We'll see better. Some background color will give. Background color. So you know, right? RGBA color we can see. Background color RGBA. So red and green, blue, and some. So this range colors, you know, right? So we'll see in CSS like up to 255 RGBA colors we have. Just I'm giving 200 and maximum colors I will give. So 255, and this is also highest range, that is last range I think. So 0.3 I will give here, and some border radius will give for the card. Border radius is will give you, above one is 50 pixel. So now, so some back shadow will give. So back shadow will, give something 20 pixel. Keep on half of, double of it, like almost 50 or 45 will give. And RGBA, so RGBA, and some colors will give some randomly. So we'll give some 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.25. Okay, so see, this is an background color. And backdrop filter also there, backdrop filter opportunity property, that is, and somewhat we need to add some blur or something. In that case it will be helpful. So some 25 pixel we can add some blur, and so we'll have some padding also, padding some 15 or something. I'm adding 18 pixel, so more padding, some better. So border will give, so 1 pixel solid, so we'll give some gray kind of color. Just I'm giving gray. Huh? So we'll give the backside also, we need to visible, right? Back face visibility, one property is there, so we need to add hidden first of all. Okay. So and we'll add some hover property also, dot container. uh, when we are hovering on contain our entire container, so we'll add some class. So for this transform I will give, actually the card we need to rotate actually, right? How much we'll give, the entire card we need to rotate. So rotate rotate some y will angle will give almost 180-degree dg. Okay. So we'll give this much and we'll see how much it is complete.